Hey everyone, if you're looking to use Runway ML on your PC, here's something important to know. Runway primarily runs as a web-based application, so there's no official Windows desktop installer to download. In this tutorial, I'll show you the best way to access Runway ML on your PC. First, open your preferred web browser, such as Chrome, Edge, or another modern browser. For the best experience, Runway recommends using its web app in a desktop browser. Content reference site, 0 index equals 0. Next, go to the official Runway website and sign in to your existing account or create a new one if you haven't already. Now, once you're logged in, you'll be taken directly to the Runway workspace where you can generate AI videos, edit images, and manage your projects. Everything runs online, so there's no separate Windows installation required. Content reference site, 1 index equals 1. If you want quick access, you can install the website as a desktop app using your browser. In Chrome or Microsoft Edge, open the browser menu and choose the option to install the site as an app or create a desktop shortcut. After that, launch the shortcut from your desktop or start menu whenever you want to use Runway. It opens in its own window, giving you an app-like experience. So make sure you have a stable internet connection, since Runway processes AI tasks in the cloud rather than on your local computer. Content reference site, 2 index equals 2. Finally, start a new project and begin creating AI-powered videos, images, and other creative content. And that's it. Yeah, you've successfully set up Runway ML on your PC. Now you're ready to use all of its AI tools directly from your desktop. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.